Hi guys, Railroad Hunter 2000 here, and some of you may not know, but Ryan's Trains Railroad Crossings are now out as seen on SAXRT Productions YouTube channel. Now, this is my BNSF Railroad Crossing, which we all know has the pedestrian gates. Now, I'm thinking of putting in the electric railroad crossing, but I want your opinion. I'm going to build the electric railroad crossing. Well, not I don't mean like electric, but I mean like with SAXRT's railroad crossings. Now, I am going to use them with the electric bell, so it's kind of like the new ones, how I'm kind of building the new ones, but I want your opinion if I should change them or not. Because some of you might like just the old-fashioned one. So I'm going to go ahead and build it, and I'll be right back. And here's the new railroad crossing with the electric bells and SAXRT's railroad crossings with the pedestrian gates. Now, to tell you the truth, I like both of them, but it's up to you guys if you want me to stick with this one or go back to the mechanical one that I had earlier. And I've had that one for at least a year. And actually, I've gotten this routed to Wisconsin, so I'm making pretty good progress. And we do have a train coming, just to show you a video, and then after this video I will show you a video of the old railroad crossing that I have that I've basically shown in previous videos. And that's what I will be using. Now to me, these two railroad crossings on 9th Street and Rochelle are the two most important ones. I will be changing the others to using these railroad crossings, most of them at least. So yeah. And that train should be coming now, so unless I checked, and it is a BNSF intermodal. Okay, now it keeps bumping for some reason. Not the railroad crossing, it's just the whole route itself. Where you hear like a pause, like ding ding ding, ding ding ding. Something's wrong with the route. It might have something to do with the fact that it's really big. Because right now, I have it from about maybe Fairview Avenue in Chicago suburbs to about Yogi something's Jellystone Camp near Bagley, Wisconsin. So it's a big route right now, so that might have something to do with the fact that it's really bumping. But other than that, I don't know why, because it just recently started doing that. But anyway, if you can tell me why it's doing that, great. And here is a video from the old railroad crossing. And please tell me which one I should keep. Thank you.